Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a fun little collab with my friend Sarah Olson. I will have her link below and a card above so you can check out her channel. And what we are doing is we sent each other a little box of fun stuff from our different countries. She is in Canada, I'm in the US. We are neighboring countries, so we're kind of like, okay, what things are alike, what things are different, and we wanted to see what kind of holiday treats we could send each other. She had the extra added fun thing of trying to find things gluten-free because I cannot eat gluten. It makes me sick. So let's see what we got here. She sent me this box here. It arrived this morning. Super excited. See, it says Canada. It's exciting. I love getting things from other countries. It just excites me. So let's go ahead and get into it. And of course, I'm not giving you like the bird's eye view of it because like I want this to be as much of a surprise to you as it is me. So, all right, first thing we got here is Glutano gluten-free wafers. And I absolutely love these. We do have them here in the States. The packaging is different because we don't have it in French, but I do love these. So good job, Sarah. Definitely love these. And let's see what else we got here. This is, it looks like a tea, caffeine free, a merry blend of spearmint sweet holiday spices. Okay, I've never heard of this tea. It looks like it's gonna be tasting good. I love teas, I love coffees, I love all of that. So I am excited about that. I am not much of a soda drinker, so like when people send me stuff like this, I'm actually really excited because it brings some variety to my life. I'm trying to open it so I can at least smell it. Well, it's really sealed, but I'm gonna see. I still can't smell it. Anyways, I'm still gonna try it. Probably not in this video, but I'm still gonna try it and I'm excited about it. So thanks again on that, Sarah. And then the masterpiece right here. Look at that. Isn't that cute though with the little snowman? I love holiday stuff like that. It's super cute. So move that out of the way and let's see. She sent me a card in that box. And I'm gonna read that first. The card says, Happy Holidays. Super cute. And let's see here. I hope you find these items lovely. Some are my faves. Some things I made. I'm so excited to give you this package. I want to thank you for all the help you have given me in regards to YouTube. I look forward to more collabs in the future. Have a fantastic holiday and New Year, from Sarah. And it also says, hope your holidays are filled with love and joy. Super sweet. Love that. Gonna make me cry a little bit. Okay, so there are hair ties here, which I do love a good hair tie. So I'm excited about that. These are scrunchies. It reminds me of the ones of the 80s, but these ones are prettier and I like them, so thank you. And let's see here, we have Lactane. I know I pronounced everything wrong. That. And yeah. Let's see, this is hand cream. Okay, let me smell it. Ooh, this smells really nice. It has, it's rose, and I do love roses, so thank you for the hand lotion. Let's see what else we got in there. Let's see, espresso honey petite. Well, see, she knows me. She knows I like my honey, so, and my, espresso. Like seriously, it's a problem, huge problem. I think I need 3 espresso shots in the morning, and sometimes I feel a little extra and I'll actually add instant coffee to my espresso shots. I know that's bad, but I do that. And then we have more. This is ginger chocolate honey. Yummy. And this one is pomegranate chocolate honey. And then we have double chocolate cocoa petite. And I'm actually kind of excited about this. She sent me some Canada maple syrup. And it's got this cute little gingerbread guy here. And you know what? I might be like tempted to make like lip balm or something in it just so it lasts longer. I mean, why not? It's real Canadian maple syrup that is not imported here but was sent to me by a friend. So that's really special to me. And there are a bunch of lovely chocolate kisses in here, which of course I love. So I am curious to some of these chocolates here, so I'm going to try a couple of these out. I think I want to try this pomegranate one out here. And these are all gluten-free. Shopping gluten-free is a challenge for people who aren't used to it. When you're used to it, it gets easier, but I'm used to it. But she did a really good job, because a lot of times when people shop for me for gluten-free, they get really frustrated because they just don't know. But anyways, this is the pomegranate one. It's really good. You can see the honey there. It's really good. Yummy. This is a great way to start your day too. Just saying. A present from your friend with chocolate. This is wonderful. Okay, so I want to try the ginger one. The others I'm going to save for later, because I don't want to overdo all of it and just crash later. But this one is the ginger one. These are, I don't think I've seen these here in the States. They might be here and I just haven't seen it. But I haven't seen these Heavenly Organics. They might be here. I don't know. But this is good too. I think I like the pomegranate one better, but still good. Anyways, that was my lovely gift from my friend Sarah in Canada. I'm eating with my mouth full. I apologize. I think what she sent me is super awesome. I'm super thankful for having friends like her. And thank you again, Sarah, for these wonderful gifts. I hope you enjoyed what I sent you. And if you haven't checked out her video, please go ahead and click the link below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one.